Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use QuickBooks Online 2024. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to get started with QuickBooks Online and make the most out of its features. First, you need to sign up for a QuickBooks Online account. Go to the QuickBooks website and select the plan that suits your business needs. Fill out the registration form with your business information and create a username and password. Once you have signed up, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your business finances, including income, expenses, and cash flow. You can customize the dashboard to suit your needs by adding or removing widgets. Next, set up your company file by entering your business information, such as company name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your business accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. To manage your finances, you need to enter transactions into QuickBooks Online. You can do this by creating invoices, recording payments, and entering expenses. You can also connect your bank accounts to QuickBooks Online to automatically import transactions. Invoicing is a key feature of QuickBooks Online. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices tab and click on the Create Invoice button. Enter the customer information, invoice date, and items sold, and QuickBooks Online will calculate the total amount due. Another important feature of QuickBooks Online is expense tracking. You can enter expenses by going to the Expenses tab and clicking on the Create Expense button. Enter the date, vendor, and amount, and select the account to charge the expense to. To get a clear picture of your business finances, you need to run reports. QuickBooks Online provides a range of reports, including balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. You can customize reports to suit your needs by selecting the date range and accounts to include. Finally, to ensure the accuracy and integrity of your financial data, it is essential to regularly back up your QuickBooks Online file and reconcile your bank accounts. You can back up your file by going to the Settings tab and clicking on the Backup button. To reconcile your bank accounts, go to the Banking tab and click on the Reconcile button. Then follow the prompts to complete the reconciliation process. By following these steps and using the features of QuickBooks Online 2024, you can efficiently manage your business finances, make informed decisions, and achieve your business goals. Remember to always keep your QuickBooks Online file up to date and accurate to get the most out of its features.